Hi, today I have a German lock for you guys. It's a Weru lock made in Germany, Euro cylinder. Very nice lock, it's working very nice. Here's the key and the beading, pretty nice beading. And pretty interesting pins in this lock. So I will try to pick it. The interesting thing is that I don't know if you can see, but the pins are very high, and the hard thing is to put the pick on top of the pin, especially at pin number 4 and 5. But that's why I'm using the in my case bottom of the keyway. So I will try to pick it and disassemble and show you all the pins. So 1, it's nothing, 2, it's binding, and a click. So now 1, I think it's binding, no. 3, it's binding. Here I have a hard time to go on top of pin number 3 and click. So let me check 4. It's binding, but I cannot touch pin number 4. Yeah, and yeah, click on pin number 4, and now pin number 5. Cannot reach pin number 5 with 4 diamond, so I need to get a different pick, a small hook, just to make a space. Because the last pin is a short pin, I need to set it properly. I think I set pin number 5. Let me check. Pin 4 nothing, pin 3 nothing, pin 2 nothing, pin 1 is binding, small click, I'll turn the core. So nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4, 5, click, and yeah, we are open. Really interesting pick. So here's the close-up of the pins, and this is the second part of this lock. So you can see that there are all the key pins are standard, but the driver pins are a little bit different. This is a small, very small spool. And this is because the key pin is very long, and this is the long spool, but it's not, it's like a mushroom like spool. This part and this is not the same, so very interesting pin. And the last one, pin number 5, is T-pin. I did not expect T-pin in a commercial lock, but it's a very nice T-pin. And the first 2 pins are drill protection. So the same is on the other side. And the interesting thing is this mechanism for the cam to work. So when you put it like this, I I'll try to show you and put the key in. Come on. The key is pushing this mechanism, so let me, I did it the wrong way, yeah. So when with key you can push, and the second side is pushing the mechanism. So I don't know if you can see, but it's pretty nice and interesting type of cam mechanism. So, and it's really nice to see a different than the standard. And really this lock is a pretty interesting pick and pretty cool lock for a Euro cylinder, for the standard Euro cylinder with the different pins, T-pins and spools. So that's it, guys. That's the Weru lock picking at it. So have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.